Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to reset Brave browser settings. So to start, open Brave browser. Then what we need to do is to click the hamburger menu at the top right or these three lines. Then select settings from the drop down menu. It's usually at the bottom. Now at the left side, scroll down and click on privacy and security. So it's in the left sidebar. So click on delete browsing data or clear browsing data depending on your device. Now at the top or in the dialog box, select all time from the time range. Now at the bottom, check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and also cache images and files. Then clear data. So click delete from this device to remove all stored data. And that's it. Very simple. Now another thing you can do is to click the three lines again, and in here, you'll see delete browsing data. So you can click that and it's much faster this way. So choose the time frame, select all time, and select browsing, history, cookies, and other site data, and cache images and files, and select delete from this device. And that's it. Thank you for watching.